Welcome, guys. We are, really pushing through all of these presentations. Thank you for those of you who have stayed on, and people are jumping in and out of the Summer Smasher Student Showcase this cycle, 2024, biggest of its kind so far. And now we have Team BioMED to talk about their projects this summer. I'm super excited to introduce these students. BioMED has been with us for some time now at the garage. This is not their first Summer Smasher, and I love how much love they put into the students that help them out during the summer, during the 8 weeks. And so I'm just super excited to see what you guys put together. Take it away.
So Satyajit will start for us. Satyajit?
Yeah. Atharva, am I audible properly?
Yes, you are.
Okay. Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. We are Team BioMED. We are a group of 10 interns who had the opportunity to work on a vast variety of projects over the last 8 weeks through the Summer Smasher program. I'd like to introduce the company BioMED and its subsidiary company Medibles. BioMED is dedicated to democratizing healthcare and closing the health gap, making healthcare accessible to all, irrespective of demographic factors. We utilize advanced technologies like 3D bioprinting, AI, big data, and DNA analysis to provide personalized and precision medicine. Our vision goes beyond economic profitability, focusing on positive environmental, social, and corporate governance impacts. Medibles, a subsidiary of BioMED, offers premium THC-free CBD products. We strive to enhance health and well-being with personalized supplements. We are committed to transparency using the best ingredients and minimizing environmental impact. This summer, I worked as part of the Gen AI feedback loop team. Our project focused on developing a mobile app designed to assist CBD patients with their medication cycle and help those curious about CBD to understand and become comfortable with CBD medication and precision dosage. Our team developed a cross-platform mobile app using React Native as the front end, MongoDB as the backend, and integrated an advanced LLM functionality. The key features of our app include a secure login register feature, a profile section for updating ailments and medications, daily journal where the real-time LLM interaction takes place, regimen reminders, and records. Next, I would like to pass it on to Rahul, the team lead for front-end, to talk more about the front-end part of our project. Thank you.
Thank you, Satyajit. Good morning, everyone. I'm Rahul Agarwal, the team lead for the front end. Me and my other team member, Boda, we made the front end app, and it's pretty much looks like the photo on your right side. So this is the main layout of the app, which was made using React Native. We basically worked on the daily journal, where we enabled real-time responses and feedback, where the patients can ask questions and get real-time answers and have a proper communication with the LLM model. Apart from that, we also did the reminders part, where the patients can get the reminders of the CBD products, when to take them, and they can get the alarms on the top right, the bell icon. We also did the contact us, where the patients can contact the company or get some help, whatever problem is there with the website. Next, I would like Atharva to continue with the backend.
Hi guys, I'm Atharva, and I was working in the backend team for the Gen AI feedback loop project. So the main role of backend was it acts as an integration facilitator between the front end and the LLM that we are using. It relays messages dynamically between the front end and the LLM when the user interacts while they're entering their daily journal on the daily journal screens. It also acts as a centralized hub for data management and security, because whatever the business logic that happens is written in the backend side, and we store it persistently into our databases. Also, it has an important role in managing authentication by generating secure tokens so that the patient data remains secure. The another important part was it generates dynamic and personalized content for users based upon the inputs, because it is integrated with the LLM, and it gives personalized questions and responses when the user interacts with the application. The main important part is it has a serverless architecture, and it is deployed on AWS Lambda, which allows us for automatic scaling and efficient management of the compute resources, where we don't have to manage the traditional servers, and we pay the server cost as we use it. The main important part is the AWS server is HIPAA compliant, which means that the patient data is confidential and the integrity of the patient's data is maintained. So yeah, this was all about the backend team in the GenAI feedback loop project. I had a very great time, and I would like to pass it on to Satyajit, who would speak about the LLM part.
Thank you so much, Atharva. So I'm Satyajit Roy. I was the team lead for the LLM team. So over the summer, we enhanced the user experience of our mobile app by integrating an LLM in the daily journal section. So what the LLM functionality does is that it provides a more engaging and personalized interaction, which enhances the user experience for both current and prospective CBD users. So we went about this by first researching all the LLMs available in the market, and we selected the most suitable LLM based on the integration ease, response quality, and the level to which we could fine tune it. Once we selected the appropriate LLM, we fine-tuned the LLM for unique customized responses, which enhances interaction relevance. Next, I would like to hand it over to my team member, Hilay, who will talk about the integration and the use cases of the LLM functionality.
Thanks, Satyajit. So after choosing the appropriate LLM, we integrated it with our application's daily journal section through API key for personalized responses. We fine-tuned the LLM for different types of users. So for existing users, the LLM would ask personalized question and summarize the overall conversation at the end. For new and curious users, it would recommend product based on users' lifestyle needs and encourage them to take the assessment. So leveraging LLM capabilities enhances the overall user engagement and retention. We believe that such a personalized health solution and customer satisfaction will position Medibles as one of the leaders in the CBD industry. Over to Lee.
Hi, my name is Li Qi, and I'm the member of the backend enhancement team. In this project, we are handling the data consumption and regimen sending task. And I've made a AWS Lambda function that will handle the assessment in an asynchronous way, which will have a better performance compared to the old synchronous process. And in the end, the performance is improved by 82%. And now I'm gonna pass on to my team member, Sarabi.
Thank you, Lichi. So good morning, everyone. I'm Surabi, and I was working on the backend enhancement part. So the first task that I worked on was refactoring the Adobe service from using JWT to OAuth. So this was necessary because JWT will be deprecated in the near future. So it required a transition to a more secure OAuth authentication mechanism. So for this, we have updated the API endpoints, and also we have updated the calling methods. Also, we have tested it thoroughly in order to ensure a smooth transition. The second task that I worked on was refactoring the API by splitting out the document service part from the current workflow. So for this, we have added two new endpoints. And also, instead of sending the email JSON to the SQS create regimen queue, we now just send the format JSON format. So how this has impacted the performance, we can see it in the next slide. So here there are two workflows. So the first workflow, it's the existing one. So here we calculate the regimen dosage. Along with that, we create the document file and then copy it to the Google Drive. So it used to take about 12 to 17 seconds. While in the second workflow, it's with the changes that I mentioned earlier. So here we decouple the document creation and the copy file services. And now the time taken is about 2 to 3 seconds. So as you can see, there's a significant improvement in the performance. So next, Glenn is going to talk about the BI dashboard.
Hi guys, this is Glenn. Since I will be making to the meeting, I'm just gonna do the little voiceover of the project and kind of explain how we have been doing over the past few weeks. So the purpose of the project is to produce automated and quite seamless visualization dashboards to present internal members and the investors. And also we're kind of like we just like wanted to research and analyze various visualization models that would cater for the server. And at the same time, we started off with the Tableau model. So at that time, we just kind of like want to learn more about the migration pathways and how we could fit from Tableau to Power BI and subsequently the AWS production server. So our resources, we did have old dashboard and the cleanup file from the previous team. We also had the SQL backup file, which we were able to restore it on the SSMS. And then we are currently doing SQL scripts using the AWS servers. It's sort of like more dynamic purposes. And our stakeholders include our management team, obviously, investors, the public, and any associated members of the team within the company itself. So how we're going to be doing it is we're going to be using the SSMS and the AWS servers in conjunction with the Tableau and Power BI, since we're kind of like migrating from Power BI from Tableau to the Power BI dashboard. And I'm also going to be using the Parallels as well, since I'm not be on an actual Windows operating systems. And as an output, we're kind of like expected to produce a dynamic Power BI dashboard and other registers with weekly iterations through meetings. And for the past few weeks, we have been focusing quite a number of variables within the database, including the drop rate, age, country, medical attributes like stress level, anxiety, so on and so forth, and even the operating system, so that the internal team can make more accurate decisions by using the database. So this is the latest dashboard of what we have been doing over the past few weeks. Every week, I try to push out a new version of the dashboard from Tableau to Power BI. Currently, we will have three primary viewing dashboards. The first one is the viewing dashboard itself, and the second one is the medical dashboard, and the third one is the what I call 3-point dashboard. So in the primary viewing dashboard, it's quite normal to see some basic attributes in the portal, like map, age, drop rate, which is static, gender, and operating system. In the second dashboard, which is the medical. So this is the latest system. In the second dashboard, which is the medical dashboard, is where I find a bit interesting, because I was finding a correlation between the element's name and the age factor and trying to push out the hypothesis of customer segmentation of our products on, like, let's just say whether younger people are much more lean to buy our products, or older people, or maybe younger people with troubles in sleeping or troubles with depression are much more keen to buy our products versus an older people who may have ADHD or inflammation, so on and so forth. So in subsequently from the medical dashboard is what I call the 3-point dashboard. So this is the latest I call the 3-point dashboard. In 3-point, I was analyzing between three most fundamental factors what I found from the medical dashboard, which are sleep, stress, and anxiety. And from this, you can see that between age groups, year, and even country, I was trying to push out the hypothesis and the analysis between those three attributes. And while focusing on the primary KPI, which is stress, that you can see here, we will have the key influencers and the top segments where we can find into more of our customer segmentation process, so that we could cater our products more to a specific group of consumers in order to boost the revenue of the products.
Hi everyone, my name is Mihir. So I am a supply chain optimizer team lead, as well as my team member is Asher. So our work is completely different as compared to programming and all this stuff. So first of all, we had to contact different manufacturers for edible sticker manufacturing, as well as we had to handle different appointments of edible sticker manufacturer, as well as our company's team leads as well as project managers. So to avoid any time conflicts, then drafting safety and compliance for the company was very important for the edible sticker manufacturing specifically. Also, we made a list of ingredients for the upcoming flavors of edible sticker manufacturing, such as strawberry or green apple. The further presentation would be continued by Ashay, and he will give you a brief about what we did exactly in supply chain.
Thank you, Mihir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ashay, and I'll be continuing from here. Additionally, we also have contacted companies with the capabilities to include medicines in our edible stickers, thereby expanding the potential application. And finally, we have also researched and identified a suitable 3D printer for in-house manufacturing, which will enhance our production capabilities and innovations. Thank you. So now I'll be also talking about the VC support and outreach. So over the past few months, we have made significant strides in seeking opportunities, investment opportunities, and we began by thoroughly researching and identifying potential VC firms, which align with our vision. Building and managing relationship with these potential investors has been a priority, which ensures trust and mutual understanding. We initiated our outreach with personalized emails, tracked responsibilities, and scheduled introductory meetings. Our dynamic approach also allowed us to refine and improve our outreach strategies continuously. We have maintained a regular communication with key VC contacts, providing updates and seeking their insights. In our final outreach push, we meticulously documented every interaction, allowing us to analyze our effort and identify areas of improvement. And these strategic partnerships are crucial for our growth, and we are confident that they will help us achieve our business objectives and create lasting values. Thank you. And now my team member Mihil will be talking about team experience.
Thank you, Ashay. Uh, Today, I stand before you to share the enriching experience of the internship in BioMED with the help of Summer Smashers. Also, I will be giving you the insights on what my specific experience was, as well as my team's. So, from the first day, I think about it, it's like we were skeptical. How is this internship going to be? This is going to be a complete online internship. But the first day itself, the virtual environment was so supportive, and as well as the people like Danny, Erica, and Bobby were so helpful, which was very kind of them. We all the team members actually are very pleased to have such a great mentors. One of the key insights of this internship was it has a diverse array of tasks to be done. We were engaged in market research, data analysis, content creation, engineering, technology, and even project management. So these specifically industry driven tasks are not actually taught in the college courses, which we got industry exposure through working in this internship. This 2 months internship has been very transformative, like how to do email writing, not just email writing, it's a professional email writing, and how to build up contacts with the person whom you have just met on LinkedIn. This has been very insightful, as well as the team's problem solving ability as well as analytical thinking has increased a lot. So I, on behalf of the whole team, I would like to be thankful to Summer Smasher 2024 as well as BioMed for giving us this opportunity. Really grateful for this. Thank you. And this is the contact us slide. So it's the name of all the interns as well as their email ID. Thank you.
Amazing job, you guys. I can't tell you how amazing it is to see such a large group do so well. Oh, you know what? I thought this was going to happen. I'm getting feedback in the other room because I wanted to put the speaker on. So quickly, I'm going to pass it to Bobby while I go fix that. Bobby, you go ahead and take it away. Thank these amazing students.
Thank you, Arcelia. But first of all, I want to thank you all. You guys did an amazing job, and we really appreciate it. The job that you guys have done has moved the company forward. We're seeing that on our interactions with the VCs, and we've moved the company forward. So you guys done an amazing job. I can't say too much of what you guys have done in really moving the company. So I want to thank you on behalf of the company. And just really, really excited. I love what you guys do with the professionalism that you guys brought. You guys are definitely in the right place to kind of do something great for your careers. And so I can't speak enough of all your, again, expertise, your professionalism, and you're willing to want to step in and learn different things. And so thank you all. We really appreciate it. And also thank you, Arcelia. We love this program and just working with young folks like yourself to really move humanity forward as a whole.
Yeah,
And so,
I love
thank you so much. Yeah, go ahead, Arcelia.
I love the opportunity that you gave them to work on their business acumen, as Mahir mentioned, and I'm sure as all of the students here feel, you know, as technical students, a lot of the projects that they're put on are technical projects. And yet, if you want to become a startup founder, if you want to work in business, you kind of have to know how to build relationships and keep up with your contacts and follow up. I mean, I'd be really interested to see what kind of a system you guys set up for that process. I mean, that in and of itself can be probably its own startup.
Yeah.
So just congratulations, you guys. And if you're in the building, the food has been served, so you can come grab some lunch and watch in the main garage floor. But thank you. Have a great summer.
All right, guys.
Thank you. Thank you so much.